Hello guys, hope you are doing great. There are a bunch of questions come into mind of beginners, when they just jumped in the trade market, like, what is candlestick? What is bullish or bearish candlestick? How to read candlestick? What is long and short candle? What is long wick candle? And many more. If you want to learn quickly all of them, then buckle up for a few minutes. Let's talk about candlestick first. Candlestick is nothing but the price movement, within specific time frame. For example, 15 minutes, 4 hours, 1 day or even 1 week or year. A candlestick shows the open, high, low and close price per chosen period. Thick part of the candle is called body, while the thin lines show above or below the body called wicks, shadows or tails. If a candlestick closes above its opening price, it means the market moved up in this time frame, that make it a bullish candlestick. Bullish candles are often colored with green or white. Bearish candlestick. When a candlestick closes below its opening price, it means the market went down in the specified time. Bearish candles are often colored with red or black. Now just look at the live price action or movement, that make the bullish and bearish candlestick. I would be silent for a few seconds. When price made a big move in bullish or bearish direction called long candlestick. In other words, buyers and sellers are active and confirms the momentum. When price didn't move a lot, made short candlestick with small body and wicks. Guess what? Buyers and sellers are not active. Long wick candle. If you want to see real fight between bulls and bears, long wick candle is enough to explain. In this long wick candle, called as hammer candle, sellers pushed the price way lower, but failed to keep it low, as buyers bought the price back up. In this case, opposite buying pressure pushed the price way higher, as buyers were bidding higher and higher, but buyers weren't able to keep this level up. Subsequently seller won and pushed the price lower again. This is called as inverted hammer. If you guys think this video is some sort of helpful for you, then please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Don't forget to comment as it will make me active like bulls to keep it up the quality. Thanks for watching.